Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to run an inventory valuation report. This report gives you a clear snapshot of your inventory's worth at any given time, which is essential for understanding your business's financial health and making informed purchasing decisions. First, let's make sure your inventory tracking is properly enabled. Head up to the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This is your hub for configuring how your system handles various business processes. Once you're in Account and Settings, look to the left side panel and choose the Sales tab. This section controls all your sales-related configurations. Now scroll down until you find the Products and Services section. Here's what matters. You need to confirm that Track Inventory Quantity on Hand is turned on. If you see it's currently off, toggle it on immediately. This setting is crucial because without it enabled, your system won't track inventory values at all. After turning it on, click Save, then Done to lock in your changes. Now that inventory tracking is active, navigate to the left navigation menu and click on Reports. This opens up your entire reporting dashboard where you can access dozens of business insights. In the search box within the Report section, type Inventory Valuation. This will filter the available reports down to exactly what you need. From the search results, you'll see two main options: Inventory Valuation Summary and Inventory Valuation Detail. The summary version gives you a high-level overview of each product's value, while the detail version shows individual transactions. Click on whichever report best suits your current needs. Once the report opens, look to the upper left corner where you'll find the Date Range selector. Click on it and set the period you want to analyze, whether that's the current month, quarter, or a custom range. This flexibility lets you compare inventory values across different timeframes to spot trends or identify discrepancies. Take a moment to review the report carefully. You'll see each inventory item listed with its quantity on hand and current valuation, giving you the complete picture of what you're holding and what it's worth. If you need to share this information with your accountant or keep it for your records, click the Export or Print buttons at the top left. Export allows you to save it as an Excel file or PDF, while Print sends it directly to your printer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.